Hey guys, this is Mohammad Imas for SW Student Community. In this video, we're gonna talk about the supply and demand. Okay, the importance of supply and demand. Why should you study supply and demand trading method? Right, this is the most important question. Why should you learn supply and demand trading method? Right. In my point of view, to start any business, we should have, we should know everything about it. Right. So otherwise we cannot succeed in any businesses, right? Not only in trading, I'm just talking about any other businesses available in the world, right? The same thing applies when it comes to trading financial markets, right? If you have no idea how the market works, you will never figure out a way to make a profit. Okay, the main thing is the market are composed of two most important players, right? The market makers and retail traders. Everybody knows that, right? The market makers are central banks and financial institutions, right? These players are the most important people, and they are the dominants, right? They control the market, they manipulate the market because they have billions of dollars. They trade billions of dollars each and every day, right? They control and manipulate the market, and if they wanted to drive the price to highest price, they will drive the market wherever they want. This is the main concept. Okay, because they have the power, they have the structure, right? They have a lot of volume, they can move the market wherever they want. This is the most important thing that all you people have to understand, right? Right, they have a lot of experienced technical analysts with them, right? They know how retail traders analyze the market and place their trades, right? They know where your stop losses and where your targets are, right? And they can manipulate the market to take money from you whenever they want, right? This is a truth that nobody will tell you, and let me give you a lot of examples in this video, in this series, right? And I'll show you how the market makers know how you trade the market and how they make money from you. Okay, I mean how they take money from you, from your resistance level or support level, and from your trend line. Okay, I will explain you all these secrets and all the dark side of the market. Okay, so let me give you some examples, right? Everybody knows that one of the famous and most used trading concept is support and resistance, right? A lot of retail traders uses the concept, right? Which means retailers will place their buy or sell orders when the market approaches to a particular support or resistance level, right? This is a basic thing that every retail traders do. Okay, so let me show you some examples. Okay, for an example, we can see a perfect resistance is being created over there, right? They created, and they convinced all the retail traders to place sell limit orders or sell executions at this resistance level, right? Whenever it approaches to the particular resistance level, they will definitely start placing their sell orders, right? So look what happened in a while. A single week broke all this resistance level and took their money, right? Took their stop losses and then drops down as they expected. This is what happened all the time when you look at your charts. Okay, spend your time on your charts. This is what I'm telling you. Just spend your time on chart to find out all this, right? So let me show you some more examples, same like this. Okay, look at this. Market was just creating a perfect resistance levels, which is convincing all the retail traders to place sell orders, right? They will definitely think that when a market tests a particular resistance for multiple time, it becomes stronger, but it's not like that. Look what happened when the market comes back to this level again, just went a little bit above this resistance and collected all the stop losses, and then look at this, a huge institutional move, right? This is what happen all the time. Even if you are a trend trader, it will definitely happen, but I will explain that trend trading concept in next video, upcoming videos, right? So this is what happen all the time. You will be feel excited to taste some of your profit, but in the morning when you wake up, your trade will be triggered your target level, but it will trigger your stop loss before hitting your target, right? This is what happen all the times. Okay, let me show you some more examples like that. Okay, spend your own time to find out this. What just happened when your stop loss got hit? Okay, I'm sure you and me will definitely feel disappointed. Okay, when you feel like someone is watching what you're doing in the market, right? This is frequently happens. This is happens frequently in all financial market, like stock market or crypto market or forex market. It happens everywhere, right? And if you're not aware of that, you will always be trapped by banks and financial institutions, which means this video clearly shows you that market makers, they don't buy at support and they don't buy at resistance level at all times, right? So if you know about these traps, you will buy the market, buy or sell the market after this trap and make money, because you know what is happening, or you know what just happened, right? Banks and financial institutions have their certain zones where they buy and sell in the market. If you can identify them, you will take the same trades they take and make money with them instead of trading against them. Okay, so this is why all you people, me and you, need to learn the supply demand trading concepts, right? So that's why I'm about to make all this video based on the supply and demand concept, right? So stay tuned, I will keep uploading all these videos one by one. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you next video.